Alright guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be looking at the Mazda 3 once again. But this time we're going to be looking, we just finished up the auto tensioner and the serpentine belt. So we got those all nice and new and good to go. So now we're going to look at the oil pressure sensor. Apparently it was leaking and we need to put a new one in. So if it's leaking and it's technically still good and there's no, it's not giving you any lights on the dash or anything, you got to replace it. So I'm going to show you guys where that is. I'm going to take you in with the GoPro and going to get that replaced. So I'm going to have to use an adjustable wrench. Hopefully I can get that in there because this is the new guy right here. This little guy. Focus. There we go. Yep. And you can get it from Mazda. I got that, I think, at Rock Auto. I know I got it on Rock Auto, but I think the price was about 20 bucks, and I think the dealer wanted 45-ish, give or take. So Rock Auto again for the win. I'm going to pop down. I'm going to also put a link for that part for the Skyactiv for my VIN number down below in the description. Don't worry, there'll be a link to that. But we're gonna pop down there with the GoPro and see what kind of room we got, and then I'm gonna show you where it is, and we're gonna pop it out. Shouldn't take too long, maybe like 5-10 minutes, and that'll be it. All right, guys, see you soon. So right here, guys, is the oil pressure sensor. As you can see, it's covered in oil. So we're gonna take it off. Sorry. Gotta figure out how that clip comes off. Put that in there a little bit. There we go. So the nice thing about this, guys, is you don't have to use any Teflon tape apparently. It has some type of, like a thread locker on it that you just have to screw it in. So that makes things a lot easier. And I have to use an adjustable wrench for this one, guys, because I don't have a wrench big enough to get around that. I tried a 22 mil, and it's too small, and 7/8 is also too small. So I can't turn by hand yet. So. We just got a little bit of oil that came out. It's not a big deal. You'll get a little bit maybe, but that's it.
That's probably good there. So we'll wipe that down. We'll start the car and see if we got any leaks. Ugh. There we go. Dust it up and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we got no leaks going on there. So far, job is successful. Belts are running good. So we'll button everything back up and call it a day.
All right, guys. So that was it. It was really simple. Maybe 5-10 minutes, max. As soon as you got the car up in the air and the belly pan off, super easy. So the belly pan, you have 1, 2, 3 10 millimeter bolts on the front. And then you got 2 on the side and 2 on the other side. So a total of 7 10 millimeter nuts, and you should be able to get the belly pan off. There might be some plastic clips at the very back. Just pop those off. But guys, that's it. That's the job. It's a super simple process. I think you guys can do it at home. But if you like this kind of stuff, guys, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications on any new content that comes out. Thanks, guys, for all the support. And don't forget, never stop learning.